What's the meaning of collapse? Collapse. Collapse.
Collapse. Collapse. Collapse refers to the sudden and complete failure of a structure, system, or organization, resulting in its destruction or inability to function. The collapse can occur due to various factors such as natural disasters, structural defects, or human error. The result of a collapse can be catastrophic, leading to loss of life, property damage, and social disruption. The collapse of infrastructure can also have long-term consequences, such as economic decline and political instability. Therefore, collapse prevention and intervention measures are critical for ensuring the safety and sustainability of society.